Hey folks, this is Jacob at Gog's Camperway in Mankato, Minnesota. Today we have in a fresh trade in here. It is a 2014 Sunseeker by Forest River 2300 Class C Motorhome. This has a V10 engine. It's only got 8,484 miles on it. Super low, really clean unit. We got the generator here. Got some outdoor storage. Place for the gasoline there. Here you do have your tanks, waste tanks here. We got the pass-through storage in the back here, access point. There's 3 doors to get back here. It does have an outdoor shower. City water connection. We do have it plugged into power there, the 30 amp supply. It does have a nice ladder, window there for the bedroom. More access to that storage. Other side. We got some more storage here. We got our portable water tank still there. We got our water heater. It does have the power awning. We got the propane fill here. So we do got a couple of plugins. Looks like satellite, cigarette light, and 110. Take a look inside. And again, it's a 2014 Sunseeker by Forest River. It's a 2300. Low miles, very clean. All right. We'll start up front. So, it does have a nice 7-inch touchscreen with a backup camera. Yeah, super clean. Seats are no stains, no nothing like that. We do have a bed up here. TV does swivel this way towards the wall. You have sleeping quarters up here, like that. Ladder. Got storage right away above. This is a speaker selection, so whether you want it outside or inside or both, you can select that. You have a countertop extender there. Like we got the switch for the awning, lights. Got the kitchen sink, got the 3-burner stovetop, oven, microwave. And we got the dining table, which does fold down to a bed. It does have drawers on both sides for storage. Got the control center. Here you can turn on your generator, see how charged your battery is, see how full your tanks are. You can turn on your water heater, your pump, your lights. You got the thermostat here for your furnace AC. Got the refrigerator and freezer, 12 volt and gas. We got the closet, a lot of space to hang some clothes. And we got the corner bed here, nice size, whole bunch of storage above. Got lights, and you got a couple of spots there to put your phone or drinks, whatever you got. And we got the bathroom, we got the sink. Storage there. Medicine cabinet. Got the walk-in shower with the skylight, vent, fan, hooks there. Shelves in there. Does have a nice privacy curtain here. There. Yeah. Again, it's a 2014 Sunseeker by Forest River, 2300 model number. If you have any questions or would like to come test drive it, just give us a call at 507-345-5858. This is Jacob, and thanks for watching.